Hello everyone, I'm Camelia. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for my new tutorial videos. Today I will going to show you how to make this granny square. Start with a magic ring. One single crochet into the ring. Chain 2. This is regarded as one double crochet. We put another 2 double crochet into the ring. 1, 2. Chain 2. Another 3 double crochet into the ring. 1, 2, 3. Chain 2. Another 3 double crochet into the ring. 1, 2, 3. Chain 2. Another 3 double crochet into the ring. 1, 2, 3. We are at the end of round 1. Go into the 3rd stitch. Change yarn, slip knot. Pull through the 1st loop. Chain 1, pull through the 2nd loop. Single crochet into the space. Chain 2. This is regarded as one double crochet. Another 2 double crochet into the same space. 1, 2. Chain 2. Another 3 double crochet into the space. 1, 2, 3. Then we put 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet into the other corner, the next corner. So 1, 2, 3, chain 2, crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3. Then we do the same thing to the next space. Double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3. Chain 1, chain 2, double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3. And then we put 3 double crochet, chain 2, and 3 double crochet into the last corner. Double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, chain 1, chain 2, double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3. And then find the 3rd chain, single crochet like this. We have finished round 2. Round 3, single crochet into the space. Chain 2. This is regarded as 1 double crochet. And then we put 2 more double crochet into the same space. 1, 2. For the last double crochet, we do half double crochet first, and then we change the color. Finish the double crochet. Then we hold this color yarn, so we're going to crochet this yarn inside as well. So 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, all into this corner space. Double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, chain 1, chain 2, double crochet 1, double crochet 2. For the last double crochet, we do half first, and then we change yarn. Finish it. And then 3 double crochet into the next space. 1, 2, 3. For the last one, we do half double crochet first. Change yarn to finish it. And then we put 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, and then we chain 2, and then we put another 3 double crochet inside. 1, 2. For the last double crochet, we do half double crochet first, and then we change color and finish the double crochet. And then we put 3 double crochet into the middle space. 1, 2, and for the last double crochet, we do half double crochet first, and then change yarn, finish the double crochet. And then we put 3 double crochet, chain 2, and 3 double crochet into this corner, and we hold the yarn as well. So crochet, double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, and chain 2, double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3. Again, we do half double crochet first, change yarn, and then 3 more double crochet into the middle space. 1, 2, 3. For the last one, we do half double crochet first, change yarn, finish the double crochet, and then we put 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, and then we chain 2, another 3 double crochet into the same space. 1, 2, we don't need to change color for this last double crochet. Single crochet into the third chain. We have complete long 3, long 4. Okay, hold the yarn, single crochet into the space, chain 2. This is regarded as 1 double crochet, so another 2 double crochet into the same space. Another 3 double crochet into the next space. 1, 2, change color and the last double crochet. So we do half double crochet first, change color, and then 3 double crochet, 2 chain, 3 double crochet into the corner space, double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, chain 2, double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3. Remember to change color. And then 3 double crochet into the next chain space. And then another 3 double crochet into the next space. Remember to change color. And then 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet into the corner space. Changing the color at the last double crochet. So half double crochet, change color. Three double crochet into the next space. Another 3 double crochet into the next space. Remember to change color and the last double crochet. Three double crochet, chain 2 and 3 double crochet into the corner space. Double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, chain 2, three more double crochet, 1, 2. Remember to change the color and the last double crochet. 3 double crochet into the next space. 1, 2, 3. Another 3 double crochet to the next space. 1, 2. Remember to change color and the last double crochet. So half double crochet, change color, 3 double crochet, chain 2 and 3 double crochet into the corner space. So crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, chain 2, double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3. Turn over, find a third chain, slip stitch, and then chain 1 and cut off. And then also cut off of the other yarn. Now we have this square ready. Don't forget to weave in